नमस्ते दोस्तों। आज हम इंग्लिश के कुछ बेहद कॉमन और उपयोगी एडजेक्टिव्स और टाइम रिलेटेड वर्ड्स हिंदी में समझेंगे। ये शब्द रोजाना बोलचाल और पढ़ाई दोनों में काम आएंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एक्टिव यानी सक्रिय, someone who is very busy, energetic and involved in many things. अट्रैक्टिव आकर्षक, समथिंग और someone who looks very good and draw your attention. आफ्टरनून दोपहर, the time of the day after 12, noon until evening. बाल गंजा, a person who has little or no hair on their head. ब्यूटीफुल सुंदर, a very pleasing and lovely appearance often used for girls, women, things. Big बड़ा, something large in size. Boring, something that is not interesting and makes you feel tired or restless. Brave बहादुर, a person who does not show fear in dangerous or difficult situation. Clever चालाक, someone who is smart and can think quickly to solve problems, can be playful or tricky. Cold ठंडा, a low temperature, the opposite of hot. Coward कायर, a person who lacks courage and run away from danger or difficulty. Dark अंधेरा, having little or no light. Date तारीख, a specific day of the month and year, e.g. 15 August. Day दिन, the 24 hours period from one midnight to the next, or the time when there is sunlight. Dull सुस्त, something that is not sharp, bright or interesting, a person who is slow or not lively. Elder बड़ा ज्येष्ठ, an older person, especially within a family, like an elder brother, elder sister. Fair निष्पक्ष, treating everyone equally without favoritism, also can mean light in skin tone. Fat मोटा, having a lot of extra flesh on the body. Feeble कमजोर, very weak, lacking strength. Fit दुरुस्त, in good health, especially because of regular exercise. Funny मजाकिया, something that cause of laughter or amusement. Handsome सुंदर, good looking, usually used for men and boys. High ऊंचा, of great height or large measurement from bottom to top. Hot गरम, having a high temperature. Hour घंटा, a period of time equal to 60 minutes. Inner आंतरिक, located inside, relating to feelings or thoughts. Intelligent बुद्धिमान, having a very good ability to understand, learn and think. Loud जोरदार, making a lot of noise, not quiet. Low निम्न, not high or tall, small in height or amount. Medium मध्यम, in the middle, neither large nor small, high nor low. Minute, a period of time equal to 60 seconds. Month माह, a period of about 4 weeks or 30 to 31 days, like January, February. Morning सुबह, the early part of the day from sunrise until noon. New नया, something that has just been made, bought or discovered, not old. Noon दोपहर 12 बजे। 12 o'clock in the middle of the day। ओल्ड पुराना, something that has existed for a long time, not new। outer बाहरी, located on the outside। pretty सुंदर, pleasant to look at in a delicate way, often used for girls things। second a very short unit of time, there are 60 seconds in a minute। time समय, the continuous progress of existence, past, present, future, hours and minutes shown on a clock। today आज, this present day। tomorrow कल, भविष्य, the day after day। year वर्ष, a period of a 12-month or 365 days। yesterday कल, भूतकाल, the day before today। अगर वीडियो पसंद है वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कमेंट करें और इस तरह वीडियो पाने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।